Hey guys, it's Ben. We're doing the last bit first again because I forgot to film an intro video, but I come out here so there's not weird things in the background and shit instead inside. Green coupe today. We're gonna start off freeing up the diff and shit so we can get it going. Pack up more shit, clean out the blue wagon. Yeah, go visit in the middle. You'll see that video if you look at the one earlier, and then come back, finish up, and then a quick walk around of the coupe, and that's my plan. I'm gonna run in, go now, and edit it all. So I'll see you soon. Okay, so the diff's been a bit stuck on this, so got the wheel off, took the brake off. It's just the brake was a bit jammed. Get some brake cleaner in there, clean all the dirt and crap that's built up in there. Always use your hydraulic jack on a concrete surface or somewhere where it can roll, and always use chassis stands. Always do as I say and not as I do. Alright, so the diff's all free. I'm going to push it out the front now where I can clean it up a bit better and start, I don't know, picking on the little rust bubbles and shit around the bottom. Fuck, I hate rust. Alright, so here she is. We can finally do a decent walk around, but we might come back when our mate finishes mowing his grass across the road over there. Yeah, we're talking about you. Alright, so next job today is to clean all the shit out of the wagon so we can put the rest of the shit from the coupe in here, make sure nothing in here is getting fucked while we're at it. Alright, so we've finished unpacking, cleaning out, and then repacking stuff back into the two-door station wagon. That's it for the moment. Now everything is out of the coupe. I've got this monster big carp here. I'm gonna cocoon up the wagon in. Alright, next up, over here somewhere, is the coupe. So we'll do a quick walk around now because I haven't got a chance to yet. Bonnet's a bit shit. Yeah, get me all in that one. That's a shit spot too. So the bonnet, I don't know if she's gonna be good or if it's better to get another one. The front end, there's no rust around here. All here's good. Tyler's already helped me with this bit here. I should have painted it sooner, but I'm gonna either wire brush it right back to bare metal and then run over it with the grinder quickly and make sure she's good clean bare metal anyway. Or we've got a sandblaster too, so I may set the sandblaster up, but it's a bit more hassle. Now, these are the mags that I want to run on this, although people keep trying to convince me to put these on the red car, but I've got other plans for that. Moving around here, there's a few little holes here that need to be patched up. I'm hoping they can just sort of be filled with weld. It's pretty strong all around that. Next bit that needs attention is the bottom of this door, driver's door. Yeah, something's not happy under there. This car has been previously restored about maybe 10 or 15 years ago, and I know if you get it in the right light, I can see bits of bog underneath this paint. So that's that driver's door. There's also some up here as well underneath the chrome, so that's all got to come out. There's a bit underneath this bit of chrome here, behind the driver, all in the wheel wells. Everything like underneath the car is still perfect and good. It's just these couple little lower bits that just need doing. Nothing monstrously major. Nothing round on the back. The hatch is all good, even all around here, no rust in there. I think there's a couple of spots growing down here. That's probably the worst bit on the whole car. And then this bubble here is pretty severe too. Everything's all good in that wheel well. Then we've got the passenger door. There's none in the top of this one. It's just that bit in the bottom down there. And that tiny little bit there. I don't know if I get someone who's pretty good with the welder. Got a couple of people in mind. Hint, hint. And I don't think it'll take too long if I clean it all up and get it all ready and just get them to weld it all up. Down in yard is engine bay. There's no engine in there. Like I was saying in the last video, I'm thinking maybe an L20B, but I'd like to see, I guess, if I can get my hands on a complete SR20 turbo, or you might get real lucky and I might strike gold and find an FJ, but that's sort of pushing it a bit. It'll fit in there. I have had a CA18 DET bolted up in here before with the big gearbox, everything. It fucking fits smack. I just made my own custom mounts between these and the engine, so that's still the standard 120Y cross member. Times changed and I sold that engine, so yeah, like I said, that's why you keep your standard A series. It's back in the garage over there. Anyway, so that's the coupe and the majority of the work it needs anyway. Once all the rust is done, I guess find a bonnet and yeah, get it all painted. The bonnet's kind of the worst of it. Other than that rear quarter, it's just little finger holes. I'll leave it there today. Tomorrow I'm just going to clean this all up, scrub it down, get all the dirt and dust and shit from sitting off it. Then start going over the bits of bare metal with the wire brush and flapper disc and shit. Try to get it all back to bare metal and etch primed. Then I can start worrying about fixing the rust, doing the body work, which actually once all the rust work's done, that's going to be the majority of the body work as well, because it's really straight. Like I don't know if you can tell from there, but she's a beautiful little car when she's all together. I can't wait. It's going to be so good. And then we'll probably sell the Red Beast and drive the Green Beast. Red Beast, Green Beast, Red Beast. Anyway, or buy that Green Beast. Maybe one day. Anyway, I gotta go. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will talk to you tomorrow because I have more to come, lots more to come.